Darlene, you just moved into the bus. What are you gonna do now?
I'm going to Disney!
What? Is it almost official?
Yeah, we're almost in the most magical place.
Taking the ferry boat and we're almost there. This is my favorite part. Turning the corner and seeing the castle. Well, these two people I had to come with.
Hey guys, when I said to break camp, I didn't mean literally. Parents, I am so sorry.
Splash Mountain, I will miss you so much. We got wet already.
I know.
Oh no. How about you back there? Did you get wet already? You're so... Oh no, he got caught. And we're going to his lair. Oh no, what are we gonna do, Darlene? Oh no, now these guys. Guys, one more time. Woo. One more time out of 100. It's like the residual one.
I was just gonna say it wasn't that bad.
I'm gonna roast ya. We're in the back row. We're gonna go see your show now.
Batman Arms will play now in the good old Kingdom G.
Swinging right over us. Whoa, whoa. That looks fun. Whoa. Goofy! Pluto! Oh no.
This chamber has no windows and
Uh-oh. What are we gonna do, Darlene? Whoa! He took your place. What are you doing to Darlene?
And Tron Light Cycle Run.
Competition.
What? They're testing it?
Testing it!
Wow! Did it! We beat Zerg! Wow, I got 240 and Darlene got 29.
Scary. Scare's scary. We'll work on it.
We'll work on it.
We're in the same honey pot.
Oh. Ooh, the back of the castle is just as pretty as the front. So we just ate in the jungle. We almost survived unscathed.
1931.
Ooh.
How long was this trip? It was a 3-week.
3-week meal.
Forever.
Ah.
But well worth it.
Ah. You guys have a fun day?
Yeah, they're kicking us out.
Oh, one more look at the Christmas tree.